Good morning, this is Sean. I'm in Eugene, Oregon still. And I dug up the garden yesterday and tilled it with a shovel. Picked all the leftover vegetables. I think there's enough butternut squash for me to make some soup. Some tomatoes. Koi will hibernate in a little, probably mid-October. They have to go to a new home though. So I'm trying to line that up now. And this is my second garden season. So I've been here kind of since June of 24. Mom's not doing very good. Her time is coming to an end. Nice to get some rain. Very nice out.